The new millennium, a time of change, progress and technical advancement. This decade has seen it as a country that has changed the way the world views the developing world. Developing countries need great motivating forces to grow on the scale modern India has grown. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, was one such motivating force whose vision has seen India grow decade by decade. The shift saw establishment of certain premier institutions. One such leading institution of learning was IETE. IETE, the Institution of Electronics and Telecommunications Engineers, as an apex body, recognized as scientific and industrial research organization and as a premier institution for technical education. Inaugurated by Dr. Radhakrishnan, the then Vice President of India, on 2nd November 1953, the institution set new benchmarks in providing technical education. It grew under the aegis of Shri Rajiv Gandhi, who during his tenure as Prime Minister of India brought revolution in computerization and usage of ICTs in the country. This has helped in advancement of technologies in different fields. With the aim of producing skilled and expert technical professionals in the areas of electronics, telecommunications, information technology and computer science, the institution has helped India's development further. IETE offers 3 different courses in 3 different streams. Diploma level examination, that is DIP IETE in Electronics and Telecommunication, Computer Science and Engineering. The prestigious graduateship AMIETE in Electronics and Telecommunications, Computer Science and Information Technology, and the postgraduate level course ALCCS, that is Advanced Level Course in Computer Science, which is equivalent to MTech level. All the courses are recognized by the Ministry of HRD Government of India for employment to posts and services through UPSC and under the central government in the appropriate fields. IETE's huge sphere encompasses about 40,000 students, about 60,000 ISF student members and more than 21,000 corporate members, 177 organizational members, 64 centers, 41 examination centers, 10 professional activity centers and 562 students forum. IETE has been particularly active in the area of telecom. The positive changes brought about by Shri Sam Pitroda's emphasis on expansion of telecom facilities in this country changed the life of its citizens altogether. The institution has distinguished itself by conducting regular conferences, symposia, workshops, conventions and seminars on the topical and current issues of technical advancement. IETE lays emphasis on institute-industry interaction. The students of IETE are given opportunities to interact with the industry to the possible extent. The mandate is due to no small measure to the contribution of 38 eminent members of the Governing Council headed by the President. The distinguished Governing Council members belong to varied professions from diversified fields. IETE has also set up a program of interactive classroom where lectures are delivered from the center at Noida to various other centers simultaneously through eLand portal of IETE. IETE has been disseminating quality information in related disciplines through its journals. These journals are a part of Web of Science, a coveted place amongst the international journals of science and technology. IETE has understanding with other national and international societies and organizations for the mutual benefit of the members of the societies. As part of its social responsibility, IETE trains visually challenged persons to make them more acceptable in society. The institution offers state-of-the-art infrastructure and facilities at all its centers. The institution is a fitting example of exceptional service. It is today a symbol of hope for every student who dreams big. IETE sponsors the research projects and also gives stipends for post-graduation study. The expectations in its glorious Diamond Jubilee year are much more. The convocation of this special year is anticipated to surpass all others. The institution stands as a model of exceptional service since 1953. 6 decades of stellar performance and service by the institution have seen IETE contribute to positive change in the education system. 6 decades of service prove that a vision can be achieved, gigantic steps can be taken. IETE has met new challenges, introduced innovative concrete policies, and given the aspirational young the chance to realize their dreams. It bears out that no goal is too far away, no task is impossible.